Hey there, Striverz Money crew! Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can help you make some serious cash online? Well, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the world of AI and revealing how it can revolutionize your income. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover the secrets of making money online with AI. Picture this. Our friend Jake was barely making ends meet, working long hours with little to show for it. But then, he discovered the power of AI and turned his financial situation around. How did he do it? Let's dive into Jake's story and find out how AI helped him become a money-making machine. AI has been transforming industries left and right, making businesses more efficient and profitable. But how can you as an individual harness the power of AI to make money online? That's the million-dollar question we're answering today. 1. AI-generated content. Use AI tools like GPT-3 or GPT-4 to create high-quality articles, blog posts, or social media content for clients. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even start your own content creation agency. 2. AI-powered copywriting. Utilize AI's ability to generate persuasive text to craft sales copy, landing pages, or email campaigns for businesses. Mastering this skill can lead to a substantial income in the field. 3. AI chatbots. Develop and sell chatbots to businesses for customer support or lead generation. With the right programming skills and AI know-how, you can create chatbots that businesses will gladly pay for. 4. AI-driven social media management. Use AI tools to automate social media management for clients. AI can analyze data, create content, and even schedule posts, making your services more efficient and valuable. 5. Stock trading with AI. Employ AI algorithms to analyze stock market trends and make data-driven trading decisions. With the right tools and strategies, you can potentially generate significant profits. To make the most of these money-making strategies, keep the following tips in mind. A. Master the tools. Get familiar with AI tools and platforms and learn how to use them effectively. The more skilled you become, the more valuable your services will be. B. Innovate. Think creatively and find new, unique ways to apply AI in your online ventures. The possibilities are endless. C. Network. Connect with others in the AI field. Share tips and strategies and collaborate on new opportunities to grow your income. D. Stay updated. Keep an eye on AI developments and trends. As technology evolves, be prepared to adapt and seize new opportunities. Now it's your time to take action. And check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.